Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form slide. V2 past form slid. V3 past participle slid. V4 present par, sliding. V5 SESIES slides. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb slide? Answer. The base form of the verb slide is slide. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb slide? Answer. The past form of the verb slide is slid. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb slide? Answer. The past participle of the verb slide is slid. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb slide? Answer. The present participle of the verb slide is sliding. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb slide? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb slide is slides.
Verb forms example sentences.
V1 She loves to slide down the hill in the park. V2 He slid across the icy pavement and fell. V3 The car had slid into the ditch during the storm. V4 The children are having fun sliding on the water slide. V5 The water park has a variety of exciting slides for visitors.
Subscribe my channel.